Two final questions from me before I throw it open to our press colleagues. Firstly, you, over a very short period, became a banner carrier for many people in this country fighting governmental overreach, the powers that be, the status quo, call it what you will. But then you announced that you are stepping into a different role. And I saw it was quite frustrating for you that people saw this as some form of surrender. Could you perhaps address that? Because I think it would be fair of me to give you that opportunity to say, you know, what did happen, what did not happen?
Yeah. So it's more about, you know, and I think what's disturbed me most are the accusations of corruption. Like, people are assuming I was paid off when that is just not factually even close. I mean, I received nothing. You know, but I suppose that's a character assessment. You know, if people don't know you, they're going to make assumptions. So, you know, I let that lie. As for this thing of I backed off, I most certainly did not back off. I have stepped into a different role. You know, Nazeer and I, as I said, it's extraordinary for advocates to step out of their roles. And they are only allowed to do that. They're only permitted to do that in extraordinary circumstances. The extraordinary circumstance was the death of civil dialogue. Okay, so we intervened, but then civil dialogue reinvigorated itself. And we said, okay, that's fine. Let civil society carry it forward. They will go to court on issues that they feel are important. That's how democracy works. Nazeer and I are both constitutionalists, and we are very protective of our profession and of democratic boundaries. So when we intervened, democracy was just not working in our view, because there was no dialogue. There was no, people didn't have the guts to stand up to government. So we said, here we go, here's an example. And then when that dialogue reinvigorated itself, that extraordinary circumstance that necessitated our engagement was no longer there. So we withdrew in that role and in that perspective. And just think about it rationally, because if we had taken the thing to court, it would have been two advocates. We would have had to draft the most diplomatic papers in the history of the world, okay, just because it's of its sensitivity. So it's not smart. If citizens go, they can ask for broader relief. The court will not pussyfoot around them, so that they're free of those sort of internal, I don't know, ethical and yeah, just minefields, okay? And it's more powerful. That was our point all along, is civil society needs to do this. Stop delegating to politicians, stop delegating to other people. And now they're doing it. That is a good thing. So I don't see why people are freaking out about mine and Nazeer's stepping back. They should have freaked out about our stepping in, you know, so the whole thing is the other way around. But you know, time will tell, and you know, I will let people's views and judgments unfold over that time.